This is the Wild West Models 10 stamp battery, and the kit that I'm putting together at the moment. This shows you where I'm up to. These are the parts that I've chemically blackened, and I've just soaked them and blackened it so that paint would mean wouldn't be a good fit on the shafting of things, so the holes, or paint the shafts, so I've chemically blackened them. You can see all the little bits and pieces there, the levers, brackets, bearings, the stamps themselves, and the cams and the tappets. And I've actually added wire mesh inside there, which was correct for when the slurry comes out. I've done all the bolts through there at the moment. Just take this bit of video to show where we're up to with the stamp mill, and I've taken the fronts off so you can see the stamps move. Lifting it up, and put it back down, and you can hear the sound going there. So I've got just a geared motor on DC at the moment, but that's just going to show you what's going on. We've got to put the fronts on, and I'll put the mesh inside there now, so it's turning out quite nice. The other thing that I've done is I've sleeved this out with a brass bush on there just to make the alignment better, and I've machined this part in here so I can get a belt drive onto it there, so I've got a lip either side. That will turn. That's just got to put the nut bolts and washers around there yet. So yeah, it's going to turn out quite nice. I just put a motor on here for the moment. I've got another wheel to go on for a large steam engine, so I've got to put that in and a drive shaft through, and that's when I'll do the actual mill and doing the other things. I'm just coming up here a bit. And yeah, the motor's noisy, but I'll get rid of that. It's only temporary till I put the steam engine on. This gives you a bit of an idea. I'm quite pleased about putting this together. And the tables. And I've got the ball mill which I've made as well. So with the stamp mill and the ball mill, they'll take up the most part of the movement inside my mill, which is just outside Ouray in Colorado, which I model. So between the two of them, we'll have a nice animated mill scene. This is the Silver Shield Mill, which is just about a mile north of Ouray. So that's what the mill photograph is. So I'm trying to reproduce that, so that put that in the ore chutes. I've still got a lot more to do. So that ore machine will be going inside there.